Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we have an amazing episode. I'm sure you're wondering, this model, what is she doing here? So today we are doing exercise to add weight. We have been doing exercise to reduce weight. Today we are doing exercise to add weight. And our model today is representing Uganda. Introduce yourself.
Hello, hi everyone. I'm so glad to be here. My name is Vivian. I come from Uganda. Born and raised in Uganda, Northern Central. So I'm here with the amazing Mwakazi Fitness, and yeah, I've been told by the time I go back to Uganda, I will have added some weight. So I can't wait to see something. Yeah, you're welcome.
Good, at least we get you to around 60 kilos by the time you're getting back.
Yes, I'm actually 58, so...
Grams or kilograms?
58, I'm 53
53 kilograms,
yeah,
guys. So that's a bit underweight. Yes.
Okay.
So guys, we are doing a full body workout for her, okay? And for you who is following from home. So we are going to do warm-up, okay? So you can just do some nice arm rotation. That's okay. So rotating your arms, yes. Change direction. Okay, hold and turn round. Side, 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 and your knees are soft. Always. So we stand with our knees soft.
Like this.
Soften a bit, yes. Okay. And now turn. For 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, your arms forward, warm the hand for 5, 4, 3, 2, bring your legs together, hands are on the knees. I want you to rotate round clockwise for 5 and anti-clockwise for 5. Slowly keep on going. So what we're doing for you, we are reducing on cardio. Yeah, if you want to add weight, we reduce on cardio. Okay. Mostly for the people who are reducing weight, we want them to cut, or they are on weight loss program. We do a lot of cardio workout for them, more cardio than the neuromuscular workout. Okay. But for you, we are doing a lot of muscle workout. So we've done warm up for you to just be physically ready for the workout. Okay. So one more warm up for your waistline. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2. You can hear your bones started complaining. Put your legs together. The hands here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and cross. Touch behind your heels for 5, 4, 3, 2, and change the other leg. Down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that is good. So I believe you are warm. Yeah. So we are doing body toning today, and we are using a lot of these weights. Okay. So the first workout you're going to do is arms workout. You're standing straight, bicep curls. Okay. Bicep curls. Then you are doing only 10. Okay. Only. So guys,
only 10.
Yes, guys. So here, chest forward, so you curl. As you're curling 10, do 10, then you take a pause. So fold your hands, yes. Fold and straighten. Okay, here? Like that? Yes. Good, keep on going. Controlled movement. So guys, for people who want to add weight, for people who are on a different program, we call it anabolic reaction. We do this workout, but we are doing less repetition. Remember, we are doing anabolic, not catabolic. If you want to lose weight, we'll do catabolic. Low weight, high repetition. Because we want to add weight, we are doing anabolic. We'll keep on increasing the weight and we do few repetitions. You've done your 10? Yes. Good. So I want us to do lower back. Remember, we are doing full body workout. Your knees are soft, the weight turned in like that. So just holding and you straighten, only your back moving. Come up until you're very straight and you go back down. Keep your knees soft throughout. Yes, throughout. Stand straight and down again. So we are targeting again 10, keeping your knees soft, keeping your knees soft. Yes, fold, that's good. So you fold your knees throughout. Keep on going, controlled movement. So that's for the back. So all we are doing, another thing we are doing apart from now, you working out on high weight and low repetition, just to make sure your metabolism is, we also need to work on diet, and this one will have to invite a nutritionist on the show, whereby she will work on you on what to do. But on the basics, you're supposed to work negatively on your metabolism. Remember, if you're skinny, your metabolism is so high. These are the kind of people who can eat anything and they're still not growing fat. Yeah, because their metabolism is so high. Anything they eat gets digested and assimilated into the body. So for her case, we'll have to change everything we tell people who want to do weight loss not to do, we tell them to do. Yeah? So how many are those?
More than 10.
More than 10. Okay, so we go here, chest forward, remain here. The weights are facing forward, your knees are soft. So back is straight like this. Now your hands are pulling. Just pulling. This is for the upper back. Yeah. So we slightly higher than that. And then you are come up a bit. Yes. Chest forward, your back flat. Keep on going. So we are targeting 10 to 15 controlled movement.
Okay.
Keep on going. So for the people who want to lose weight, yeah, we tell them to never skip breakfast, because breakfast starts your metabolism and it keeps your metabolism active the whole day. By that, you keep on burning the calories, okay? But for the people who want to add weight, we tell them to do the other way, okay? And in this case, we are talking about dinner. Dinner is very primary, okay? Keep on going, keep on going. 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, 1 more, and relax. So you can put the weights down, we relax a bit. People who want to lose weight, we tell them to make sure they don't skip breakfast and to make sure they are eating their dinner very early. Reason being, they'll have enough time before they go to sleep to have burnt the calories. But you, because you want to gain weight, we'll tell you to eat your dinner very late. As in almost when you're going to sleep. Yeah, if you have your dinner very late, immediately all those calories will not be utilized. So in your sleep, slowly you will gain some weight. Because all those calories you consume are not utilized. Okay? So I'll take you to the next workout. Before now we go to the carbohydrates in your diet. Okay, so here, bend, you bring the weights here and take them up, overhead. Then you straighten your arms like that. Okay, back down, we bend. Okay, so when you're bending, your weights are facing that side. Okay, bring them up to your shoulders, straighten up, together. So the hands go together, like that, and back down, fold your hands, fold and go down again. Okay, we go up again. So take them up together, fold them, fold down. So you just fold towards your shoulders again and we go down. So we are making it continuous. Like this, bring them to your shoulders, up, back to your shoulders and down. Okay? Keep on going, keep on going. So your main workout should be anabolic, whereby you are doing heavy weight, very few repetition. Because the more you are breaking down the, when you break down the muscles by doing muscular workout, that is anabolic reaction, the more now the muscles grow because they want to rebuild, they want to repair themselves. By repairing themselves, you keep on increasing. That's how we do when we want to build muscles. We lift very heavy weight, very few repetition, because we are trying to tear the muscles down. When they try to rebuild themselves, the muscles increase in size. Okay, keep on going. Okay, overhead, yes, and down. We are doing 5 more, or how many more?
5 more.
Okay, come up, overhead, 4 more, we go down, overhead, good, 4 more, maybe 2 more, I think so. Okay, let's go. Now 1 more to go, 1 more to go. That is good. So you rest a bit, then we do 1 more workout. Remember, we are doing bigger muscles, yeah?
Okay.
The compound workout. So we are doing bigger muscles that will help you to gain weight. And of course, now we have to talk about eating. You're supposed to increase your portions of meals. Yeah, you're not supposed to be, sounds good when you talk about eating. So we are talking about you having snacks in between your main meals.
Okay.
You have your heavy breakfast, which should also comprise of carbohydrates and proteins. You have in between breaks. You have your lunch. You have another snack in between lunch and dinner. Then remember, you have to have your dinner slightly much later. Yeah? And it's easy. So you are reducing on cardiovascular workout. Try to do less cardio. Okay. We are doing the third workout. Third workout, mostly we have to engage the legs. It's biceps and squatting. So squat and straighten. So we start straight.
Okay.
Okay. When you squat down, your hands are here and more like you're sitting down. What you need to take care of, your knees should never go beyond your toes. That's why we take our hips to the back, like that, more like you're sitting. That's perfect.
Okay.
Now we do that with weight. Shall we try?
Start with the stretch.
Chest forward. Now let's go down. Curl. And straighten up. That is 1. We go again. Straighten up. That is 2. So we go 10. So remember, guys, if you're following from home, we are doing 10 twice or 3 times. Okay? But if you increase the weight, you reduce on repetition. Now we are doing very little weight because we are demonstrating. But if you keep on increasing on the weight, you have to keep on reducing on repetition. Currently you're doing 10. If she increases on the weight, she'll have to reduce repetition to maybe 8 or around 6 or even 5. Okay? Keep on going. How many are those? Good, good. Good, good. 1 more. Then put your weights down and relax. Okay? So it's so easy for you guys, unlike people who want to lose weight. Actually, it's a uphill task for someone who wants to lose. So you've been this small throughout.
Yes, this is the fattest I have ever been.
Does it run in the family?
Yeah, somehow.
Everyone else is...
Not everyone. I have those cousins who are small, yeah, but most of them like grew fat later on in life.
What happened? After childbirth?
Yes.
So the husband is watching. Scott, make sure you do something.
We'll get there.
Yeah. So next time we are doing couple workout and we have to have Scott in this show, in this house. This is your embassy, guys. This is your embassy. Okay?
International.
Yeah. So you've done simple workouts just to make sure you're fit and to make sure at least now you are getting the muscles, because now you can also work on getting muscles. You keep on increasing on the weight. The weight you're lifting, you reduce on the repetition. For people who want to cut down, we tell them to reduce, to carry very little weight, but a lot of repetition, like 20, 30, 40. So remember, you are only doing 10, 10, 10 throughout. Okay? So what you need also not to remember is stretching. Remember, we started by stretching. So we also stretch when you're done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross forward and touch behind your heels for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You change the other leg. Cross down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then pull your right leg up. Right is this one in case we have both right feet. For 5, pull high. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the back, curl, supporting yourself, balancing the other hand. Good, change. And you have good balance. We have people by now who would be staggering. I wonder whether they have some traces of blood in the alcohol.
Not alcohol, blood.
No, too much alcohol. So it means you have traces of blood in your alcohol. Okay? Now bend to the side. Bend overhead to the side. That is good for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change the other side. And bend down again for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was easy. Easy workout to make sure she's fit. And she wants to gain some muscles. She wants to gain some weight.
Yeah.
But the main work should be on your diet. Okay, so in our next episode, we'll have a dietitian here, a nutritionist, to tell us. We've been talking so much about people who want to cut down weight. What about the people who want to gain some weight? Yeah, because she's scared she might, when monsoon wind comes, she might be blown away unless we put stones in her pocket.
Yes.
Anyway, guys, until the next episode, bye-bye from us.